just don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video I am tackling the kitchen and dining room. It is a mess. I actually wanted to do more, but these two took me longer than I thought it would, because you know how it is, you just find things that need to be done. I ended up mopping and things like that, and I hadn't actually planned on doing any of that. So yeah, I only cleaned these two rooms, but they were in a lot of need. So this is a morning after me getting my kids off to school, so we kind of leave the house in disarray every morning. I try to clean as I go, but when I don't clean the night before, the house is just already a mess, and then it gets into an even bigger mess the next morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up and I will pop back in later.
I don't know what you did, but it's alright with me. It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about.
So here I have my little water meter, and I'm just gonna go around and see what plants of mine are dry, because I knew some of them had to be dry. Surprisingly, only two were, so I'm stopping a minute from cleaning to water my plants. And yeah, I just been bringing them to the sink, watering them. I wanted to get that out the way before I did the dishes.
Don't you spare any details of how you feel about us. Spill it out, don't you spare any details. Oh baby, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the road.
I thought I'd try something a little different on my stove. I've been trying to find a good cleaner to clean my stove for a long time. So I bought I think it's called Power Paste. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't really remember. I think that's what it's called, from the Scrub Daddy line. But yeah, I just used that and I actually really liked it. I think it got my stove a lot cleaner than anything else I have tried, especially that front right side. Yeah, I have not been able to get that off, but it did come off a lot, even not completely, but a lot. So I'll be using it again and maybe I can get more off the next time. But yeah, I really like it. I don't know if I'm late to the game or whatever. This is my first time using this, but yeah, I like it. So I'm just cleaning the stove and then I'm gonna clean the range, the top part of the stove, and move on from there.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. I've been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time, trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking.
So yeah, I decided to just take the broom out and sweep. I was like seeing crumbs still in some spots, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go over the floor with the broom. And yeah, I just found a lot of sand and dirt. So if you have like a bigger, bulkier vacuum like I do, I feel like it doesn't do good. It doesn't get like in smaller areas. So sometimes you just need a good broom to like get in there, pull whatever's on the side of the fridge in between the washer and dryer. So even though I just vacuumed, I still picked up a lot of dust and dirt, as you can see. So that goes to show that, yeah, sometimes you do just need to sweep every once in a while. And now I'm gonna take my Shark Pocket Steam Mop and mop this dirty floor. Do not judge me. I actually can't even remember the last time I mopped. But yeah, the floor was dirty. You can see that line where that rug was. Oh my God. It was bad. I think it's been like a good 2 months since I mopped. So yeah, the pad was really dirty. Do not judge me.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hear you when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I don't care. I'm gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Trying to eat myself sometimes. Everything's on the line. It's hindsight. I don't care. I'm gonna lose it. I promise I'm gonna lose this. When I say yeah. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes, smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second just say